What'd Santa get you? What is that?
Another colored Diego thing.
Wow. Look at that.
Brady, tell Daddy what Santa got you from these. What are these?
Fishy flip-flops. Where's yours? Where's Daddy's?
Fishy flip-flops?
Yeah.
Lucy, what do you have there? What is that?
Bottle.
Bottles?
Yeah.
For the baby?
Wow. There's your bottles.
Do you open it with scissors?
Sure, Brady. But I think I maybe be able to open it without. We'll try. Diego. That's
Diego.
right. Let's see. Hold on, let me see how this comes out. Just to get that thing off. Diego. Up here you go, Brady. There you go.
Connor standing over there.
I'm getting hungry. Someone gonna feed me?
Hey, buddy. Look at you. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, buddy. What'd you get, buddy?
Oh, she's feeding her baby.
What do you got, Brady?
What did you get, Brady? What did Santa bring you?
You got a James?
Ooh, yay. Lucy wants to put another present. All right, Lucy, I'll help you.
It says the big James.
It's James. You can put that in your track and it can go all by itself.
Yeah.
All right.
I think you have to put the battery in him and screw.
Okay, we'll do that. Can you say Merry Christmas, Brady?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.